Hi and welcome to Duran's Designs. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. I'll show you the website where I found this free image and how I prepared it and carved it on my Longmill MK2. So to get started we'll go to the free website where I got this image as well as many others. So the site is called freedxf.com. You'll go to the main home page and you'll just type in welcome, and then we'll find the file that I used. There it is. Okay, so we'll scroll down and we'll download this file as an SVG file, which is ready to carve pretty much. You just might have to make a few minor alterations to it. So once we got that downloaded, we're going to go to Aspire or whatever Vectric software that you use. This will work in all three of them. So we're going to open up a new file, make it a width of 12.25 by 537.375 and a width of 0.58. In my case, we're going to go from the machine bed in the bottom left hand corner. So now we'll go to import vector and we'll find the file that we just downloaded. We'll open that up. So once we got it in the program, we're going to align it to the center using the align tool, and then we're going to move the selection, scroll out a little bit so we can see the entire thing, shift and hold and drag the corner until you got it exactly where you want it. Now I want to stretch this design out so it fits the whole board. So we'll have to pull the outside. Well, we see that it's not connected, so we're going to have to fix this file and join it. So we'll go down and join closed vectors with a smooth curve, and then we'll join the vectors, and you see they're open, so you hit join, and now they should be able to just drag that outer edge only out to the edge of the surface of the board. And we'll do the same for the other side. And then we'll just drag each individual piece and it'll snap to the grid as long as you have the snap guide on the top there, the blue. So we'll do all four sides. Let's stretch them out and they'll just snap into place. And now I want to stretch out the welcome sign to fill out the board a little better. So I'll do the same thing. I'll just double click it or click it twice. And now I can just grab the middle button and stretch it on both sides to where you think it's about center. Then you can go to the align tool and just make sure it's centered, which it was. So now we got that the way we want it to look, and we can move over to the toolpath. So we'll click over to the toolpath and we're going to select all, go to Vcarve, and we're going to start at 0, and then we will set a flat depth so it doesn't cut right through the board because we have some pretty wide vectors there. So we'll set the flat depth to 0.15. Okay, so we want to make sure we check the use clearance tools, and we're going to use a 1/4 inch end mill for that, and that will just make it a little bit quicker and look nicer. And then we'll use the V-bit, 60-degree V-bit. And all the links for all the bits and products I use with my Longmill can be found in the description below. So we're going to calculate that, and we'll just see if there's any problems with the file. And there's one little problem with this file, and the E just has a little bit of a issue. So whenever we have an issue like this, I just troubleshoot to see what I can do to fix it. So you can see that these lines are not connected. So we have to do that first. So we click both the lines and we will try joining them. And it's still open, so we got to fix that little piece sticking out the end. Cutting does not work, so we will go to node, edit, and we will try deleting that point. That doesn't work. Then you don't have anything left. So we'll undo that. And then we'll also try just dragging that down and connecting it there. And we'll click it. See if we can join it now. And it looks like it is joined. Okay. So that worked. So we'll zoom out. Search it again. And we have one more issue there. We got a loop hanging out down the bottom. So we'll zoom back out. Recenter so we can see it properly. And this one we could just cut out. It'll work in that situation. And we'll search again. And that fixed it. Alright, so we'll zoom out. And those issues should be okay. They didn't cause any trouble in the cut. So now we can recalculate. Now reselect everything again before you do that. And we'll calculate and just ignore, continue anyway, ignore the two open, and we can preview and see how it looks. Now there's a few issues inside the welcome letters, but I can live with that. That looks okay. In my opinion, it's about as good as you're going to get in this particular setup. See how long that takes. It's about 16 minutes. Then we'll go off and we'll save each individual file where we want them, which I already did. And then you're good to go. So now you're going to open up GSender or whatever program you use to carve. And you're going to load the first file, which is the clearance toolpath. And you'll start that off, set up your board, and away you go. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit like and hit subscribe to see more videos. I'll be putting out videos every week. If you have any suggestions on videos that you'd like to see about the Longmill or any of my tools and equipment, please put it in the comments below, and I'll try to get that done for you. In the meantime, here's a sped up version of the carve and the finished product at the end. Thanks for watching.